Several factors can cause your AT&T gateway to go offline. The first common cause is hardware flaws, particularly overheating in older BGW210 models. When the device gets too hot, it may automatically shut down to prevent damage, breaking the connection to AT&T's servers. Software bugs are another major culprit. DHCP lease failures happen when the gateway cannot properly renew its IP address lease with AT&T's network. This communication breakdown causes the device to lose its internet connection, appearing offline to all connected devices. ISP throttling during peak usage hours can also trigger offline issues. AT&T may intentionally slow down connection speeds to manage network demand, especially in the evenings when many users are online. This bandwidth restriction can make the gateway seem unresponsive or completely offline. Finally, general network congestion plays a role. When too many users in your area are accessing the internet simultaneously, it can overwhelm AT&T's local infrastructure. This high traffic prevents the gateway from maintaining stable connections with AT&T's servers, leading to offline periods. How do you know if you're experiencing the AT&T gateway offline problem? Look for these signs. The LED lights on your gateway turning red or amber. Devices failing to access the internet despite being connected to your Wi-Fi network. Error messages like "no internet" appearing in the AT&T app. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step to troubleshooting. Let's start with the simplest solutions. First, power cycle your gateway. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, consider a factory reset. Use a pen to press and hold the reset button on the back of the gateway for 10 to 15 seconds. Note, this will erase any custom settings, so use it as a last resort. If basic fixes don't resolve the issue, try advanced troubleshooting with Ethernet connection and firmware updates. First, connect your devices directly to the gateway using an Ethernet cable. This bypasses potential Wi-Fi problems. Next, ensure your firmware is up to date through the AT&T app. Open the app and look for update options. Alternatively, access the gateway settings at 192.168.1.254 in your web browser to check for firmware updates. The October 2025 firmware version 3.20.5 is reported to fix many disconnection issues. You'll see an update progress screen during installation. To prevent future offline issues, use a UPS to protect against power problems. A UPS provides backup power and filters electrical noise. Also, limit connected devices to avoid network overload. The BGW210 modem supports up to 50 devices. These steps help ensure reliable internet service. AT&T has been actively working to address the gateway offline problem. They've released firmware updates like version 3.20.5 and are replacing older models like the BGW210 with newer, more stable gateways like the BGW320. By 2030, AT&T aims to have AI-optimized gateways that can self-correct offline states, potentially resolving 90% of issues automatically. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your gateway continues to go offline, it's time to contact AT&T support. There may be a larger network issue in your area, or your gateway may be defective. AT&T has improved support resolution times, with 85% of gateway issues now resolved within 24 hours. They also offer free replacements for defective units under warranty. Social media campaigns, e.g. Fix ATT Gateway on X Twitter, have pressured AT&T to improve warranties.